Welcome back, students. As all of you know, we are doing the topic comparing quantities. So, in this lecture, we'll continue with a few examples based on profit loss discount and maybe a few questions from percentage and ratio also. So, we are going to start with the question. Ronnie bought an air cooler for rupees 3300, that is 3300, including a tax of 10%. Means in this price the tax is already included. Find the price before the VAT was added. Find the price before the VAT was added. That means this price 3300, it includes VAT at the rate of 10%, but we have to find the price without VAT. Clear? Let the original price of the air cooler be rupees X. Let the original price of the air cooler be rupees X. Then VAT is equal to 10% of X. As I told you that VAT or the sales tax is calculated always on the original price. So it is rupees X by 10. Now bill amount is equal to original price plus VAT. Now the bill amount, that is the money paid by Ronnie, and that is 3300. So 3300 is equal to original price X plus VAT or the tax is X by 10. Clear? So 3300 is equal to, if you take 10 LCM, then it is 10x plus x. So 3300 is equal to 11x by 10. If you cross multiply 10, 33000 is equal to 11x. Then x will be equal to 33000 upon 11, and that is rupees 3000. And that is your answer. So the price of the air cooler before the VAT was added is rupees 3000. Clear? So we'll do few more examples. The next example, next question is, a man got 10% increase in his salary if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. So a man got 10% rise in his salary, and his new salary is 1,54,000. So what would be his salary before the rise? Means his original salary. Let the original salary be rupees X. Let the original salary be rupees X. Then rise in salary. Rise in salary is 10% of X. That is rupees X by 10. Now you know that original salary plus rise is equal to new salary. Means X plus X by 10 is equal to 1,54,000. If you take 10 LCM again, so 10x plus x is equal to 1,54,000, means 11x, and you cross multiply 10, 154,000. So x is equal to 154,000 upon 11, which is equal to 1,40,000, and that is your answer. So before the rise, the original salary of the man was 1,40,000. Clear? And then 10% hike means 14,000 hike, and it becomes 1,54,000. Clear? Now the next question. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percentage decrease in the attendance? What is the percentage decrease in the attendance? What is the percentage decrease in the attendance? Now see, number of people who visited zoo on Sunday, 8:45. Number of people who visited zoo on Monday, 169. Decrease in number is equal to 845 minus 169. 845 minus 169. It is 676. So percentage decrease is equal to 676, that is the decrease number, upon original 845, because on Sunday it was 845. So upon 845 into 100. When you are converting, when you are giving your answer in percentage, so into 100. First of all, you calculate by 5. Okay. Now cancel it by 13. 13 is the 169. 52. Okay. Then again by 13. And 20 into 4 is 80. So 80% is your answer. So on Monday, the percentage decrease in attendance is 80%. From Sunday, 80% people didn't turn up on Monday. Clear? That is your answer. Now the next question. Next question. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them at a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of each article. Find the selling price of each article. Now see, CP of 80 articles is rupees 2400. First of all, you find CP of one article. CP of one article 2400 upon 80, rupees 30. So you can see CP of one article is rupees 30. Now the profit percent is 16. So profit is equal to 16% of 30. Because you know that profit and loss, they are always calculated on the cost price. So 16% of 30. Now rupees 4.80 is the profit. Now SP of each article. You know that SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP plus profit means 30 plus 4.80, that is rupees 34.80, and that is your answer. Rupees 34.80, that is the selling price of each article. Clear? Now the next question. the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold, if it is sold at a profit of 15%, if it is sold at a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Selling price of the article. Now you see original cost rupees 15,500, money spent on repairs rupees 450. So net CP is equal to 15,500 plus 450. I told you this money spent on repairs is also known as overhead charges, you can say. So that is added to that CP to get the net CP. When you add, it is rupees 15,950. Clear? Now profit. It is given that profit is 15%. So profit is 15% of 15,950. Clear? You can cancel 10 from here. Then this is 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Four 7 8 5 upon 2, now divided by 2. So you can see the profit is 2392.50. That is the profit earned on it. Now you know that SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Clear? That means CP is 15,950. That is CP, and the profit is 2392.50. 2392.50. When you add, the final answer is 18,342 rupees and 50 paisa, and that is your answer. That is the SP of the article. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now we will do the next question. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each. Marked at rupees 850 each. So in this case, first of all, you have to find the total marked price. Total First of all, you have to find total marked price. Now the total marked price will be 1450 for the pair of jeans plus there are two shirts, so 2 into 850. So 1450 plus 1700. So the total marked price is rupees 3150. Now discount. In the question it is given that the discount is of 10% and I told you that discount is always calculated on the marked price. So the discount will be 10% of 3150. The discount will be 10% of 3150. So when you solve, it is rupees 315. The discount is rupees 315. So the bill amount, that is the money customer has to pay, is equal to marked price minus discount. Marked price minus discount. The marked price is given 3150 and the discount is 315. So from 3150 you have to subtract 315. From 3150 you have to subtract 315. It is 2835. It is 2835 rupees 2835. Rupees 2835. That is your answer. Clear? The amount that the customer has to pay will be 2835. Clear? Now the next question. A man sold 2 TV sets at rupees 20,000 each. On one, he made a profit of 5%, and on the other he made on the other he lost 10%. Find overall profit or loss percent. So in the previous lecture we did a question of this type, but the difference is there the question in the question they gave cost price of both the fans. I think fans were there, but here they have given the selling price because it is written a man sold 2 TV sets at rupees 20,000 each. Let the CP of first TV is equal to rupees X and let the CP of second TV is equal to rupees Y. Okay, two different televisions are there, so their cost prices are also different. Let the CP of first TV is X and the second TV is Y. Now, profit on first TV, it is given that the profit is 5%. So 5% of X, that is rupees X by 20. Profit on first TV is rupees X by 20. SP is equal to X plus X by 20. If you take 20 LCM, then it is 20X plus X, that is 21X by 20. But the selling price excuse me, the selling price is given 20,000. That means 21X by 20 is equal to 20,000. 21X is equal to 4,000,000 if you cross multiply. So X is equal to that is the cost price of the first TV. Okay, that is the cost price of the first TV. Now we have assumed that the cost price of the second TV is Y. Now on the second TV there is a loss of 10%. So loss on second TV, 10% of Y, that is rupees Y by 10. That means the selling price will be Y minus Y by 10. If you take 10 LCM, 10Y minus Y, that is 9Y by 10. Okay, but it is given that the selling price of both the televisions is 20,000. That means that also should be equal to 20,000. Nine Y by 10 is equal to 20,000. So 9Y is equal to 2,000,000. Y is equal to 2,000,000 upon 9. So this is the cost price of the second television. Now total CP is equal to 4,000,000 upon 21 plus 2,000,000 upon 9. Okay, now on the second television there is a loss of 10%. Okay, now what we do, you can take this 2 lakh common from these two to make your calculation easy. Take 2 lakh common. Then in the bracket we will have 2 by 21 plus 1 by 9. Now what would be the LCM of 21 and 9? It is 63. So you write 63 here. So 6 plus 7, 13. 13 into 2 is 26. This is the total CP. The total CP of 2 televisions is this. Clear? Now we will find total SP. So the total SP is rupees 40,000. 20,000 plus 20,000. Total SP is equal to 20,000 plus 20,000, that is equal to rupees 40,000. Now, to compare the two quantities, that is the total CP and total SP, what we do, we'll make both the denominators same. Here it is 63, so we'll multiply this 40,000 also by 63 in the numerator and the denominator. So it will be 63 here, so it is 2520000 upon 63. So you can see here, if you leave this 4 zeros and 4 zeros here, it is 252 and it is 260. So definitely 260 is more than 252. That means total CP is more than total SP. So if the total CP is more than total SP, then there will be loss. If CP is more than SP, that means there is loss. So loss is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 2520000 upon 63. I'm sorry, loss is CP minus SP. The loss is CP minus SP. That is, CP is 260000 upon 63 minus 2520000 upon 63 means 8 and then 4 zeros upon 63. So this is the loss. Now we have to find the loss percent, overall profit or loss percent. So we have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. So we have found the loss is 80000 upon 63 divided by the CP is 260000 upon 63 into 100. That is the loss percent, loss upon CP, loss divided by CP. into 100. Now see, it is like this. 63 cancels out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more zero you can cancel from here. So it is 80 upon 26, or you can say 40 by 13. 3 whole 1 by 13%. So there is a loss of 3 whole 1 by 13% in the entire transaction. There is a loss of 3 whole 1 by 13%. Clear? So now one more question. In a town, 60% people are male, 30% are female, and the rest are children. Find what percent are children if the total population is 50 lakh. Find the exact number of male, female, and children. So in a town, 60% people are male, 30% female, and rest are children. Now find what percent are children, first of all. So percentage of children will be equal to 100 minus 60 plus 30, because 60% male, 30% female, when you add them and subtract them from 100, because of the third is only children, so 100 minus 90, that is 10%. That is your answer to the first part. 10% are children. Now, number of males. Number of males, 60% of 50 lakhs. So when you solve it, the answer will be 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs. Number of females, 30% of 50, that is 15 lakh. Number of children, 10% of 50, that is 5 lakh. Okay, so that is your answer. 30 lakh male, 15 lakh female and 5 lakh children. So these are few examples. Now do all the sums given in the assignment and we will continue with the topic in the next lecture.